Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Topics what we are going to cover in this session, that is environment, further divided into three parts: development, production, deployment. Then after seeing addition, license, version. Environment in Salesforce. An environment is an instance of the Salesforce platform which can also be called an organization. It lets user access, create or deploy applications with various feature sets depending on the configuration like addition, license, profile, etc. There are different types of environment in Salesforce, that is development, production, deployment. Development environment. Development environment is further divided into four parts: developer sandbox, good for development and testing. Because it includes all our configurations, we can develop with the custom fields, objects and other settings that exist in our production org. Developer Pro Sandbox, good for development and quality assurance tasks, testing and user training. Better than a developer sandbox if we would like to use more sample data in these processes. Partial copy sandbox, good for user acceptance testing, integration testing and training. Because it contains some of our production data, seems more like our production org than a developer or developer pro sandbox. Full copy sandbox, an ideal testing environment since it is just like production. This is the only type of sandbox that supports performance testing, load testing and staging. Production environment. Production org are designed to be used with live customer data and to actively run our business. Salesforce platform environments with active paying users accessing business critical data are known as production environments. It stores and manages the live data that is actively used to run business. Here development is not allowed. Deployment environment. Salesforce deployment is copying or transferring Salesforce metadata from one Salesforce org to another. There are various methods to achieve Salesforce metadata deployment. Change sets can contain only modification we make through the setup menu. It contains information about the organization, not data, such as records. Additions in Salesforce. Salesforce offers various CRM additions, each tailored to specific business needs. Essential Addition, designed for a small business getting started with CRM to boost sales or service productivity. It includes a setup assistant and administration tools to customize the deployment as we grow. Professional Edition, designed for business requiring full-featured CRM functionality. It includes straightforward and easy to use customization, integration, and administration tools to facilitate any small to mid-size deployment. Enterprise Edition meets the need of large and complex businesses. It includes access to Salesforce APIs so we can easily integrate with back office systems. It gives us advanced customization and administration tools in addition to all the functionality available in Professional Edition that can support large scale deployments. Unlimited Edition maximize our success and extends it across the entire enterprise through the Lightning platform. It gives us new levels of platform flexibility for managing and sharing all our information on demand. Includes all enterprise edition functionality, primer support, full mobile access, unlimited custom apps, increased storage limits and other features. Developer Edition. Basically, Developer Edition is for practice and learning purpose. It provides access to the Lightning platform and APIs. Also let developers extend Salesforce integrate with other applications, and develop new tools and applications. Developer Edition also provides access to many of the features available in Enterprise Edition. License in Salesforce. License determines baseline features that a user can access. These are of different types like standard user license, chatter, experience, service cloud, site and authenticated website user licenses. Standard user license. These are further divided into different types. Salesforce, designed for users who require full access. Salesforce Platform. These licenses are entitled to use custom apps developed in the org or installed from App Exchange. Also, they are entitled to use core platform functionalities such as account, contact, reports, documents, and custom tabs. Salesforce integration grants access to Salesforce data and features only through the API. The license is designed for system to system integrations. Version in Salesforce. Version control is an essential practice for modern software development on the Salesforce platform. It helps developers to track, manage, and organize their code. It goes far beyond just tracking code changes in a Git repository and can transform how agile teams build, test, and deploy software. API versioning plays an important role while developing a code for an application. It tells us the version of the developed code. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below.